Ever seen a flower chase the sun? Here's what happened when I set up my camera to catch live flowers blooming. I got more than I bargained for. So, as my sunflowers grew, I noticed something wild. Every morning, their heads turned east, and by sunset, they faced west, always following the light. This isn't magic. It's called heliotropism, and it's fueled by an internal plant clock called the circadian rhythm. Only plants like sunflowers are born with this unique ability. Most flowers just stay still, soaking in sunlight, but some flowers actually move, stretching for every golden ray. And right when I thought I'd seen it all, the sunflower spun back east overnight, ready to start again.